A guilty plea today for one of them in charge in the murder of a family in Green Valley Ranch.
20-year-old Kevin Bowie pleaded guilty to intentionally starting a house fire that killed 5 people from Senegal. It happened in 2020, and among those killed, a 2-year-old and a 6-month-old baby.
And this is the third and final plea in this tragedy.
2 others, Gavin Seymour and Dylan Siebert, previously pleaded guilty and were sentenced.
Denver 7's Veronica Acosta was in the courtroom for this final plea deal.
One step closer to closure. That's the feeling among friends of the 5 family members killed in a Green Valley Ranch house fire in 2020.
It's not like the closure I imagined, but I guess it's the best we could get.
On Friday, 20-year-old Kevin Bowie pleaded guilty to 2 counts of second-degree murder. One of those counts for the 3 adults killed in the fire, Jibril, Adja, and Hassan Deal. The other for the 2 children, Khadija Deal and Hawa Bai.
It's not justice. It's the result of laws and policies that exist.
Usman Ba and Lamine Kane were friends of Jibril's, exhausted with the process over the past nearly 4 years.
We agreed on a plea deal because we was just, it's fatigue, you know.
Bowie was inside of the courtroom when he agreed to the plea deal. His parents also there, simply saying they were on board.
It's still fresh. Yeah, it's still heavy.
The deal came months after Gavin Seymour, another one of the 3 teenagers accused of killing the Deal family, was sentenced to 40 years in prison for the crime. While Bowie, Seymour, and the 3rd teen, Dylan Siebert, who also pleaded guilty months ago, were all teenagers at the time of the fire, Lamine says it's not something he'll ever be able to understand.
Let's not forget, with people who did this action, I don't think we can ever get over it.
Bowie was said to be the ringleader among the 3 and could serve up to 60 years in prison as part of the plea agreement. He will be sentenced on July 2nd. In Denver, I'm Veronica Acosta, Denver 7.
And going in depth on this case, there was controversy about the technology that the arresting officers used.
You may recall Denver police tracked down the 3 arson suspects through a digital dragnet of sorts. Denver police used a search warrant to ask Google for all records of everyone in the world who searched the exact address of the home that was set on fire. It's called a reverse keyword search, or geofencing.
So ultimately, that reverse search helped police track down the 3 suspects. The defense, though, argued Denver police and Google violated the 4th Amendment rights of the suspects, protecting them from unreasonable search and seizure.
The argument from the defendants is that because the information was obtained in violation of their 4th Amendment rights, the judge made an error at trial in allowing that to be presented. It's I think, a classic example of the challenges that are faced when you have a document that was written in the 1780s and 90s and trying to apply it to digital technology.
The case went to the Colorado Supreme Court. It ultimately ruled in favor of the police back in October. It turns out the masked suspects had the wrong house, thinking someone else lived there who stole one of their cell phones.